Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 12th, subject economics, higher secondary school khumriyal. Topic is consumers equilibrium in case of single commodity or in case of one commodity. Below is given marginal utility schedule of commodity X. Units of commodity, marginal commodity. These are units of commodity of X. These are marginal utility or utilities. We can say these utilities also. So unit number 1, marginal utility is 20. Unit when we consume unit second of this commodity, marginal utility is 18. When we consume third unit of this commodity, marginal utility is 16. When we consume fifth unit of this commodity, marginal utility goes down, it comes to 10. When we consume sixth unit of this commodity, fifth unit of this commodity, marginal utility becomes 0. And when we consume sixth unit of this commodity, marginal utility becomes -5. So look here, marginal utility comes down considerably from 20 to 18, 18 to 16, 16 to 10, 10 to 0, 0 to -5. Mind it that this is not total utility, this is marginal utility. Now we have to see where consumer is in state of equilibrium. At what price consumer has the situation of equilibrium? When price or price of one or worth rupees of 4 utilities, worth rupee 4 utilities. That means 1 rupee has 4 utilities of utility, 4 utilities. 1 rupee has 4 utilities. Now the question, here is the answer. This is units of commodity X. This is marginal utility, and this is marginal utility in terms of money when 4 utilities is equal to ₹1. यहाँ 1 रुपये में 4 यूटिलिटीज आते हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं 4 यूनिट्स ऑफ यूटिलिटी. So this is commodity number 1, commodity X and unit number 1. When we consume first unit of this commodity, X commodity, marginal utility becomes is 20, and here marginal utility in terms of money, that is 20 divided by 4. 20 utilities divided by 4 utilities, because 1 rupee's cost is 4 utilities. That means 20 divided by 4, 4 5 is 20. These here it is ₹5. When we consume second unit of this commodity, marginal utility is here 18. It diminishes by 2 utilities. Marginal utility is 18. Therefore, marginal utility in terms of money, it is equal to 18 divided by 4. That means it is 4.5 rupees. 4.5 rupees. And here it is third unit. It is marginal utility is 16, and 16 divided by 4. It is equal to 4 rupees 4. Here it is fourth unit. It is marginal utility goes further down by 4 utilities. Here it is 6 utilities. So here it is 10 utilities. 10 divided by 4, it is equal to 2.5. At fifth unit, marginal utility becomes 0, while marginal utility in terms of money, it is also 0. When we consume 60 unit of this commodity, marginal utility is equal to minus 5, and marginal utility in terms of money is minus 5 divided by 4, it is minus 1.25. So number first here it is, consumer will buy first unit of 20 utilities. Here he will buy 20 utilities for 20 utilities because he pays rupees 4 instead of rupees 5. Here is cost of 20 utilities rupees 5, but actually he pays rupees 4, so he will buy these 20 utilities here. Number second, in second condition, when he takes second unit of this commodity, here he has to pay rupees 4.5, but he pays rupees 4 only. So that means in second case he will also buy second unit of this commodity. At third unit he pays rupees 4, while actual price of these 4 utilities is also rupees 4. So here he will also buy this third unit. Consumer will buy third unit also because here is the situation of equilibrium. He buys 16 of rupees 4, 16 utilities of rupees 4. So here it is equilibrium. Now here it is diagram. X axis, y axis. Here it is marginal utility and price of commodity. Here it is consumption of commodity X unit. So point third, unit third, when you consumers unit third, here it is equilibrium. ये देखिए यहाँ है consumers equilibrium at point C. This is price of X. This is consumption of commodity X. तो आज का बस इतना ही है. Equilibrium is struck when third unit of commodity X is purchased. यहाँ है equilibrium इसका. Area of triangle ABC reflects consumer surplus. ये है consumer का surplus ABC triangle diagram का. Marginal utility of X is sloping downwards curve. This is sloping downwards curve. देखिए ये curve ये downwards slope करती है. Px indicates market price of commodity. It is fixed for consumer and is equal to rupees 4. So this is all for today. कल तक के लिए अल्लाह